everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 11 of the 21-day challenge that I've been following, and I thought instead of posting a short taking you all through my routine, let me share a few healthy tips that I've been following and that have helped me be productive throughout the day and help me make most of my 24 hours. So the very first and basic is having a morning and night routine. I've learned this over a period of time. So having a morning routine is something that kickstarts your day, and it sets your mood throughout the day. So my morning routine is pretty basic and not too fancy at all. I just start my day with 2 glasses of water, preferably warm water and chia seeds, and I enjoy it in my balcony, watering my plants, getting some fresh air, and that 5 minutes just gets me started throughout the day. And then I make quick breakfast for all of us. So this is like very basic morning routine, but I follow that each day. And then talking about my night routine, that is also pretty much basic. Getting into fresh pajamas, completing my skincare, spending some time with my Bella, and maybe journaling if something great happened. So I ensure I just note it down in my journal. So these are some things that have helped me a lot, and wakes me up in a good mood and keeps me motivated throughout the day. The very next is planning my day. So setting some goals that are achievable throughout the day, setting some short-term goals, setting some goals that you want to achieve throughout that month. And so we need to have a calendar set for few tasks that are most important and has to be completed throughout the day. So this is something that's helped me. And for beginners, just to get that consistency, we should start with very basic and achievable goals, of course, and start practicing journaling, guys. I mean, I cannot share enough of the benefits of having a journal in place, and having a gratitude journal. Basically, it's like very basic. Be thankful, mention down 3 points that you're thankful about, mention down 3 memorable things that happened today, or maybe a few learnings that you had throughout the day. If you mention those now, you will have that forever with you, in your diary, like have in mind. And it's just so great to just scroll down the pages and just read and relive that day. So that's the reason I like journaling a lot. And the third habit that I follow is move your body. So maybe a 30-minute walk, 20-minute run, or practicing yoga for better flexibility, dancing on my favorite music, or maybe using stairs wherever possible and avoiding elevators, or go hit gym if you are totally into fitness. Play some sport. I like to play badminton, table tennis. Some days I just prefer home workouts as well with my sister, and it's like very fun time together. Some days I prefer meditation for better mental health. So these were the 3 habits that I've been following and are pretty helpful for me. Please comment down below and share best practices that you guys are following. So we should be learning from each other here. And give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.